What's going on, everybody? I'm pro singer David Braley, singer-entertainer based out of Phoenix, Arizona. Today, we're checking out more anime music. This is the third opening from Naruto Shippuden. It's called Bluebird. Here we go.
羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは青い青いあの空
Oh, this is so nice. Oh, I love the harmonica. It's so sitcom-y.
悲しみはまだ覚えられず切なさは今掴み始めたあなたへと抱くこの感情も今言葉に変わってく未知なる世界の夢から目覚めて
Such a sweet sound voice. Got some pipes on her though, wow.
羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは白い白いあの雲
That's a really great melody line. That's a ba-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-ba-ba-da. Nice little writing there. I love this sound. It does genuinely sound like a sitcom opening. You know what I mean? Which does that work for this show? I haven't seen Naruto Shippuden, so I don't know, and I'm probably saying it wrong. So I'm just gonna say Naruto for now on, just so you don't make fun of me anymore. But no, I've never watched this yet. We have a couple of join us over on Patreon. We got a couple of titles over there. We got great stuff. Attack on Titan, Jujutsu Kaisen, Frieren, Dan to Dan. Really, really good stuff. Don't have Naruto up, but I believe this one has been around for years. I'm not certain, but I've not seen this, so I don't know. Is a sitcom, TV sitcom, kind of like American 90s TV sitcom, the type of anime this is that kind of thing? Is it kind of focusing on the family and the blunders and the silliness and the mishaps and all that sort of stuff? Is that what it is? Or is there more action and stuff? It's probably, the stakes are probably higher and there's probably more chaos of sorts, but that's what I'm getting from this, is that it's kind of like a sitcom. I dig it. I dig the guitar. I love the fact that it has a harmonica in it. You could just barely hear it, but it has a really nice line in there, and the melody line and the harmonies. The voice is really, really sweet. It just sounds like a sweet voice, like a sweet female singing voice, but she's got some pipes. She's belting out some high notes, and they're really sitting nicely. I could hear if she just pumped on a vibrato there, you'd get full diva from her. It'd be great. There's a harmonica. Yeah, I love the musical phrasing. Really nice. Very cool. Yes! 90s guitar. Great changes. Oh, nice. Bring it back. Yeah, big notes. That's all I'm missing from her is a vibrato. Da, ba. You know, like give it a little bit more oomph, give it a little bit more gusto, and lead right into the next note. You know, I mean, not like that because that's not the style. But she, just a little bit of vibrato would be really beautiful, really beautiful.
戻らないと言って探したのは白いあの雲突き抜けたら見つかると知って振り切るほど青いあの空青いあの空青いあの空
Yeah. Well, thank you for having us. Oh, great tune. I love that. The organ, the guitar. I love the guitar patch. I love the mouth organ, the harmonica. Just really interesting choices. Really nice vocabulary when it comes to that piano. Really beautiful, thick, juicy chords, which does set it apart from, like I'm saying, this kind of sounds like a 90s sitcom tune, but and it does, but smarter. With juicier chords, with better musicality. I like the phrasing. I liked her voice. Like I said, I would have loved a little bit more vibrato, just a little bit, just to drive us into the next sections. And she has such a nice quality, such a nice tone that, and it's hard to stay, flat pitched, but to be able to just add that little twinkle would have added just another level to the song. Outside of that, just a really nicely done composition. Just really, really nicely done. Yeah, I'm a fan. The melody line was pretty. The chords were nice. I love the guitar solo sounded good. That harmonica solo even sounded pretty good. Nice little changes in there. Interesting chord structure. Just really, a good solid tune. Nothing bad to say about it. Guys, I had a blast with that tune. I hope you did too. Until next time, I'll catch you all on the flippity flop. Cheers, guys. Bye.